It was an authentic dancehall party as Koffee pulled up on the Jimmy Fallon show on Wednesday. Now the Grammy Kid, joined by Chromatic, was released along with Pull Up other singles, West Indies, Lockdown and Pressure from her debut album Gifted Slave. Shenseea is the next Jamaican to make her debut performance on an international stage. She'll take Jimmy Kimmel Live come next week. And British dancehall superstar Stylo G has touched down, this time in Egypt, for the visuals of his latest single, Google. The song is produced by Chimney Records as they interestingly infuse a heavy dancehall sound to the track. Stylo G is gearing to hop across the US this May for his first show in Los Angeles and also in the Midwest. Now this weekend will be one for the books as Reggae Month closes with 3 mega shows, and you can enjoy each of them right here on TVJ. 2 shows on Saturday. Rise to the occasion. It features megastar Sizzla Kalonji in concert, a reggae first, as he is accompanied by a 35-piece orchestra at 9:30 p.m. Then join Fame Frequency for Salute to the Women in Reggae, which features Grammy nominee Etana at 10:45 p.m. Then on Sunday, join us again at 8 o'clock as Paris Hammond himself leads an impressive lineup of acts including Christopher Martin, Marcia Griffith, Starus Riley, and Richie Spice for Reggae on the Pier. What a virtual reggae weekend! I can't wait. I'm Deidre Gordon reporting for your weekend edition of Eat Prime. Be safe.